This cold weather calls something for the hot and comforting. Today I'll be showing you how to make 3 delicious ways of sweet corn, spicy, peri peri and cheesy chili. Quick, easy and perfect for the winter cravings. Welcome to my channel. Come now, let's begin. To the boiling water, add 1 bowl of sweet corn and boil this for 10 to 15 minutes. Now strain the water and keep it aside. Now to the mixing bowl, add boiled sweet corn, add half tablespoon of butter, half tablespoon of chili powder, half tablespoon of salt, followed by half tablespoon of chaat masala. Now add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and give this a quick mix. Now the spicy sweet corn is ready. Transfer this to a cup. Now we'll start with the peri peri sweet corn. Add the boiled sweet corn to the bowl. Add half tablespoon of butter. Here I am using a ready-made peri peri powder. Add 2 tablespoons of peri peri masala powder and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix completely. Now the peri peri sweet corn is ready. Transfer it to a cup. Third way, add boiled sweet corn to the cup. Add finely chopped green chilies. Add half tablespoon of butter and add some cheese. Mix well. Now add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and mix again. Now cheese chili sweet corn is ready. Transfer it to a cup. Now our tasty, super delicious butter sweet corn in 3 types is ready. If you love the sweet corn recipes, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.